Hey everyone, I'm back. It's been a while just because I'm trying to get what will be Lego Central all taken care of. Wanted to show you essentially what the train set looked like before it likely goes away. I haven't quite gotten up the guts to take it apart, but I've realized that it needs too much work and I need space to work on, Lego, and we'll see what happens with that. But this is as much for me to document what it looks like, and everybody can kind of see what the Lego room is currently looking like. So I flipped over the bridge. This is the bridge that took me forever to work on, and I will probably keep it either way. It's a very unique bridge. It splits in two. It would go back in the back corner back there if the train set were all put together. And I'll move it just for a second. Okay, so this is what the layout looks like without a whole bunch of obstructions. Go back here again. You can see, I think there was it's a 7-layer helix. It went up here, and you'll realize this track didn't do very well when we moved it in. This was a little too thick because it has to go from down here, wherever my hand is, to up here and fit through a window, and it didn't work very well. But you can see the double main line, if it stays in focus, goes all the way through the table. There's a little 2-tier helix right there. The bridge would have gone right across there. You can see there's some tunnels over there. Does a figure 8 through the mountain. Even down here, see there's another little bridge right there that actually loops around. So this track went all over the place. You have the double main line. If I will focus. You have the double main line right there that ran all the way around the table, through there and in the back, and then you had this line that came through the canyon. This was kind of the inspiration for my whole train set, is you had this canyon back here that it would loop under, and if I can even show you, see it even goes under there and kind of comes out. That was my whole idea. That's what started it. And it's just too big. A normal N scale train set would probably be as big as this table right here, which is 4x8. This table is 5x8. So the whole thing's 9x8, and it's just too big. And so I have decided I either have to find somebody who can take this, which is unlikely. Any takers, let me know. It's got a lot of track, if nothing else. Or I will have to dismantle this and then use the parts I've got. Maybe I can reuse the helix. I can definitely reuse the track and get going. Because, as you'll see, the other hobby, I filled up some of the shelves. I haven't even come close to moving in all of the boxes. Just got a few tucked away. All of those boxes are full. The boxes down there are not full yet. Those are the 2 Millennium Falcons, and so this one is full, and that one I'm keeping the box either way. All of those boxes are full, and I only have 1, 2, 3, kind of 4 little nooks left, and I think I have way too much stuff to put in there. But, if this monstrosity, you can get kind of the whole effect. If this monstrosity leaves us, then should have some room. So you're going to basically see the death of one hobby and the birth of a Lego city or village or who knows what. I haven't quite decided. But stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the process as much as I will enjoy it and dread it all at the same time. See you later, guys.